Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3152 printer driver, download and install, and how to connect. So first you have to come this site google.com, and after that you have enter this like that. Okay, and in the result first the website epsons.co.in, this official website, just click on it. Then you can select operating system, and if you using Windows 11, if not sure, no worry about that. Okay, so printer driver 64-bit, select and click to download. Okay, scroll down, click I agree software license, and then you can see the Windows 11 64-bit also support. Then click to download. This is size. After you have just click to download, when you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see, wait few seconds to complete, and after that you can see then it is completed. Then just single click to open, then yes. After that you can see extracting. If you want to default this printer, so check this, and if you have to update software, so don't update, and then just click to OK. After that select language if you want to, otherwise OK. Then I agree, and then click to OK. After that there are two options, first network and second USB. So if you know how to install, you just connect to LAN cable to your printer. After that click on search option. So you don't know the IP address about that, you just select the search printer current network segment, and after that click to OK. So and then again click to OK. So it will detect and scan an IP address. Okay, so second you can see second via USB. So on your printer and connect the laptop to printer via USB, printer USB cable. After that click to OK. So it will on and you can detect, and after that next to install. Okay, then restart your system and then check. Okay, and if you are facing some issues, so please comment me, I will support.